Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, So Jameka. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look featuring KPFFLashes. Open my package on camera so y'all can see how it looks. So we're just gonna do that. Oh my god, so cute. Oh my god. Yeah. So it is now. Okay, so first I got 3 lashes. Hopefully I don't look like drag queen, but I got 3 lashes. This is style 1. Now y'all know I don't wear no Jameka lashes, so this is gonna be fun. This is the next style, Kim. This is the other style, Shiri. And she also gave me a gift. Yay! She gave me some glasses. Oh my god, these are so cute. And yeah, so I got the lashes. I'm trying to figure out which lashes I'm about to use. I think I'm going to be using Shiri. I think that's what it pronounces. Shiri. I'm going to be using these because I'm not a fan. Personally, I'm not a big fan of long lashes, but over time you will see me wearing them. So we're just going to be using her. And yeah, so let's just see how these lashes come out with my fall look. I'm kind of leaning towards browns and oranges, so I want to show y'all the colors before I start. Y'all know my famous palette I always use. Can you put it somewhere? Y'all know my famous palette I always use, Masquerade. And I'm going to be using, some of these colors mess up, don't judge me. I'm using this one. These are more oranges and reds, so I'm going to be using that. And another color from another palette, this is what I got for Christmas. I'm going to be using the gold from here. Sorry about how it looks, but we're going to be using gold from here. So before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you get me to 1,000 subscribers, and that's all, period. So let's just get into the video. Okay, so first, I washed my face. I washed my face in the beginning part, but I want to show you that I washed my face. I did not use the mask. I'm using it tonight. So yeah, I was just making sure that I got all the pencils and everything ready because I want this look to come out so good. Because I cannot disappoint. With some good lashes like that, I cannot disappoint. So I'm just going to put my hair in one. I'm using this mirror, so if you see me looking here a lot, don't worry, I'm looking into the mirror so I can make sure I look good. So first I'm going to I'm going to draw out my eyebrows with these 2 pencils. I usually outline my eyebrows with black, and inside I use brown. It's called earth tone, but I'm using brown, and I also use a powder to blend it in together. So y'all are just gonna see me doing that, and I might talk throughout the video. So listen to my voiceovers because we're gonna be saying words all throughout this video. So yeah, so y'all gotta pay attention if y'all want a notification shout out. I promise I'm gonna do a notification shout out at the end of my very next. We're gonna do it for day 8. Do it for day 8 or day 7 where we say stuff in the notification, so look out for that.
So boom, was popping, guys. So as you can see, I'm using the black eyebrow pencil to outline to the top and to the bottom of my eyebrows because it's a dark color and I need to be able to see where I'm going to be using the pencil or whatnot. And especially how the pencil is very light, it makes my eyebrows look kind of reddish, so I do blend them together so that it could be a nice color. Okay, so that was the powder that I was talking to you guys about to blend in my eyebrows, because my eyebrows are dark brown slash black. I'm not sure what my eyebrow color is, but I know that dark brown usually works for me, and that is cocoa. So I do recommend, if you want the same look that I was going for, to get
Now
a
I'm gonna go in with
color like that.
dark cocoa to the top of my brows, and I'm going to go with fawn to the bottom of my eyebrows because it's a lighter color. So I'll be putting that underneath so that my eyeshadow would pop. So that's what you're gonna be seeing me doing.
So guys, I do want to add that for the lashes, once you make a payment through the website, you will get a free gift like myself. So y'all need to get at her. The website will be in the description down below and on the screen, so make sure you check her out. So guys, it's about that time, so I want y'all to say fall in the description down below. If you want to add some emojis next to it, it's the same thing, but put fall in the comment section down below, period. Now I'm gonna go in with the gold. I'm putting the gold on the inside of my eyes so that it can look like the color is transitioning. Now I'm gonna go with this LA Girl eyeliner. I'm just going to use a brush to outline where I want the line to be. I'm using a brush. This isn't the brush that it comes with, but this is what I found at the moment. So I was just like, let me just use it. And it didn't come out half bad. So yeah. Now I'm using the Fit Me foundation in color 370. That's the color of my skin, so I just use that. I use a small brush to put that on my face, and yeah, I'm just going to put it on my forehead, my nose, underneath my nose, by my cheek area, my chin area, and yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with some concealer. It's called Beautiful Bronze. I'm gonna put that under my eye, well, in the creases of my eye. And I'm also, y'all gonna see, I'm going to be using a powder to put where I put the concealer. Now I'm just going to put on the lashes, what I got, Serene. If you want to get that, you can look in the description down below and get you some lashes, because these are so good. Like, they were soft, fluffy, and I love them so very much. Please order. The link will be in my description down below.
It's the final look. I still am processing makeup, so if I look weird, please don't come to me in the comments. Just give me some tips. Don't come to me, just give me some tips, period. So if y'all like this look, make sure, if y'all like this look, make sure, let me know in the comments down below. I just like to again thank KPFFLashes for sponsoring this video, because I love these lashes, especially these looks. I think I'll get more shorter lashes. Her link will be in my description down below, and I think you get 10% off. I gotta make sure. If you do, I'll put it in the description down below so you can order some lashes, because these are popping. So this is the end of this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and make sure I get me to 1,000 subscribers. And that's the end. This is Jameka signing out, and that's on period.